Welcome. If you want to make your Telegram group more organized and user-friendly, giving your invite links custom names is a great step. With the latest Telegram update for PC, it's easier than ever for group admins to add a link name. Let's walk through the process together, step by step. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Next, find the group you manage from your chat list and open it. Remember, you need to be an admin to make these changes. Once inside your group, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see 3 dots. Click on them to open the options menu. From here, select Manage Group. This is where you can adjust all your group's settings, including invite links. Now, look for the section labeled Invite Links. Click on it to view all the invite links that have been created for your group. Each link will be listed, making it easy to manage multiple invites if you need to. Next to the link you want to name, you'll see another set of 3 dots. Click on these dots to bring up more options. Choose Edit from the menu that appears. You'll now see a field where you can enter a link name. Type in the name you want your group members to see. This could be something descriptive like VIP members or event access, whatever makes sense for your group. After you've entered your chosen link name, click Save to confirm your changes. Finally, click Done to exit the settings. That's it. You've successfully added a custom link name to your Telegram group on PC. This small change can make your group invites look more professional and help members know exactly what each link is for. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with other Telegram admins. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly organized group.